Hi friends, welcome to my channel Chic and Savvy, where we talk about all things relating to planning and budgeting. My name is Carissa, and today we will be doing our weekly spread for the first week of April. We are going to be using my Planner Envy subscription stickers that come in their subscription box. So this week's theme is going to be a picnic, spring, fantasy, it's giving fairy tale with some butterflies, a lamb, some picnic baskets, rosé. It's just giving romantic. I really like it. So these are the deco stickers. I love how vibrant it is, and it looks so realistic. I like that too. And then we have some boxes. I love the scene. More boxes, and then some more boxes here. I really like how everything's different. I felt like, I don't know if it was last week, the one I was using, it just felt all, I think it was the St. Patrick's Day one. It was just all kind of the same, which I understand because there's only so much you can do, but it was hard to like put everything together. And I've been struggling the last couple of weeks because I've been doing things upside down, backwards, I don't even know what. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started. I got my SEUBi candle. Let's go ahead and light it. And then I don't have a snack because I'm filming this super late at night, but I do have my Gatorade drink. So grab your snack, grab your dessert, grab whatever you need to drink, eat, whatever, and let's get this done so we can get into the next week. Okay, so let me not mess this up like I have been doing because I have been struggling. I hate the end of the month, guys. There's just so many things to do and wrap up, and honestly, there's so much that I want to film, and I had so much going on this week that I literally only had one day to film, and that's what I'm doing right now, and that's why I'm filming this so late at night. And I'm not even going to be able to get everything done, but that's why my lighting looks weird. I really like natural lighting, but I'm going to have to make do because, so I'm using a light, so it's not natural light, and I can tell the difference in my videos, which I think it's just me being picky. But I have to do what I have to do or else it's not gonna get done. So we're just gonna stick with it. Okay, I thought I was gonna have to cut off the lamb, but I'm not. How is your guys' week going though? Is the end of the month as stressful for you? I know for some people, I guess it also depends on like what your job is. Like my job, it's not like end of the month based or goal based. It's task based, but it's kind of different. So like the end of the month doesn't affect me. But I know if you have to like meet certain goals and do certain things, like finances, like a finance person, the end of the month can be super stressful. And it's getting, oh, what the, oh, I usually put it, oh, see, I already messed up. Please don't rip. We're just gonna do this super slow. Okay. Kind of bent the page a little bit, but that's okay. But it's been super hot. Like, it's hot right now. And well, it's also because I have this light shining on me. But the weather is just changing, and I forgot how miserable it is when it's hot, but that's what the AC is for. But like, I wish, like, right now I'm like super warm, and I never thought about it, but because I've watched so many YouTube videos, but I never realized that, like, shooting like this, the importance of wearing like a long sleeve, because I think I did one video where I wasn't wearing a long sleeve and your arms just look weird because they just look naked. And so it doesn't help that I have to wear a long sleeve. I don't have to. I mean, I could do it without the shirt, without the long sleeve, but it does look kind of weird when you don't have it on. This is so cute. Making sure nothing is wrong. Okay, we're good. We're solid. Okay, let's do the days of the week. And so I am a Sunday starter. So we're going to do that. We're going to use this. Is anyone absolutely flabbergasted that it's already April, or it's gonna be April? I am. Like, I just genuinely don't believe it. But at the same time, I'm kind of wishing for it to go by faster, because me and my husband decided that we want to buy a house. We kind of did some research and crunched some numbers to see if it was something that we could do. And it looks like it might be possible. It's just location is not going to be like what we ideally would want. But we're willing to sacrifice the location because we do really want a house. We live with my parents right now, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with it, but we've been here for a year. And before we were married, I got my first apartment, and then something happened with my job, so I ended up moving back in with my parents. So I was at my apartment for like a year and a half, and then I moved back in with my parents for 2 years. And then me and my husband got a rental house, and then we lived there for 2 years. And then again, something job related happened. And then we got married, and then we moved back in with my parents. And so we've been here for a year, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with it at all. My parents are amazing. We like come and go as we please. They, they're out a lot of the time, and they keep to themselves, and everything's just great. It's just, I don't know if anybody's ever lived in a place that's not yours. You just want a space for you, especially being married. We just want our own place, and we just want to start our lives. And you don't need a house to do that by any means, but we've been together for 10 years before we were married, and we're celebrating our 1-year anniversary in April, actually. And we just want our own space. So we're willing to sacrifice maybe being further away from where we work or what we desire to live at to be able to do that. And then I always, like me mentioned, like it doesn't have to be permanent. Like this home that we get doesn't have to be the permanent, the forever home, which, you know, I'm used to somebody who's moved a lot of times in their life. So I don't really get attached to things like that. I actually like moving. But it's just, we just really want to move forward. And so I'm hoping that we can get a house at the end of the year. So even though it's April and I'm like, gosh, time is going by so fast, now I'm like, please go by faster, because I'm anticipating moving into the house and having our own space and everything like that. So I think I did this right. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes. Perfect. So let's go ahead and do this side. What do I want to use? This is cute. Let's see what other pictures they have. Okay, so we have a llama. I like this little house, and I like the mountain too. What's on this side? So there's no llama on this side, so I can either do a llama here or like a llama somewhere over here. But once I do a llama, I don't want to put another llama on the page. Oh my gosh, I keep saying... Oh man. Okay, not a llama, a lamb. I'm an idiot. Oh, so cute. And then... do this purple. I like to track what I eat for lunch during the week. And then, should we do a list? I didn't even write down what I got going on this week. Oh well. We'll figure it out. Like I said, I am all over the place. So me doing this video is like the most I can give right now. Let's do this light pink. So this is good. This is a good start. I'm gonna go ahead and just fill it in, and then we'll see what it looks like at the end. All right, guys, I think that we are done. I really love the spread. I just liked the variety of the different things that we could put on here, but I'm really liking it. And I did this blind because I have no idea what's happening next week. Oh, let me write the days of the week up here. Perfect. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing this week. It's probably nothing. So these boxes, I don't know, but we're all here for the vibes and the aesthetic and how it looks. But I'm really liking how it looks, and I think it turned out really well. But thank you all for being by my side throughout this journey, and I can't wait to see where life takes us. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, friends.